today, Home Minister Govindas Konthoujam flagged off the high-profile Duran Cup trophy tour from Sendra to unveil the three iconic trophies to the public. The tour marked a grand build-up to the 135th edition of the tournament in the host state of Manipur. Organized by the Indian Army, the event was attended by several legendary sporting icons from the state, including Arjuna awardee Oinam Bembem, Wushu player Mayang Lambam Bimoljit, boxer Sarita Laishram and Indian national football team goalkeeper Dheeraj Moirangthem. Speaking at the ceremony, the Home Minister expressed immense pride, stating that hosting India's oldest and most prestigious football tournament is a matter of great honor for Manipur. He emphasized that an event of this magnitude will not only give a massive boost to local football talents, but will also serve as a vital platform for budding players to pursue successful professional careers in the sport. The minister further extended his heartfelt gratitude to the Indian Army for their dedication and relentless efforts in bringing this historic tournament to Manipur.
दुरान कप तीसरी बार हमारा स्टेट में हो रहे हैं। ये बहुत गर्व की बात है। हमारा स्टेट में अभी काफी तनाव चल रहा है। इस बीच में आर्मी आकर के हमारा प्रदेश को शांति व्यवस्था वापस लाने के लिए काफी कोशिश कर रहा है। इसके बीच में दुरान कप यहाँ पे ला करके हम सबको एक साथ जोड़ करके फिर से शांति वापस आए और हम लोग खुशी से एक साथ रहे। धन्यवाद।